Good day, everyone. Learn how to download and install Epson L8050 driver, and you can simply install this printer. It is very easy to do so. So firstly, we need to open the browser and type Epson L8050 space driver. Then select the location from where exactly you belong. So I'll select the Epson site. Please make sure you only visit the Epson site and then go to the download section, and here you will find printer driver, and we will download it. It should not take much time, and we just need to click on I agree, and I'll click on download. You can see the OS. It is compatible with Windows 11 to Windows XP, which is great. I'll simply click on download and I'll select download again, and it is in progress, and then we will open it. So almost a second remaining. I'll just do a double click on that, and very soon we will have, it will ask you to say yes, and now it is installing. So it says set as a default printer. If you wish to, you can do that. You can select the language, click on agree, okay, and it is installing. Make sure your printer is connected either through Wi-Fi to your router, or it should be physically connected to your computer, all right, through USB. So once you're ensured that yes, it is connected through USB, or your printer is connected wirelessly to the router, right? So it should be turned on as well. So it is installing, and then you can simply start using it. So it says detect the printer. If it's in network connection, it will search it, and if it's a USB, you can select that. And once you are done with this, you can simply connect it, and it will detect it, and you will be able to install and use your printer. All right, so this is how you can download and install Epson L8050 printer. And if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.